you. Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to GoMining. Imagine if I talk like that. Fuck, that'd be annoying as shit. Alright, welcome back guys to week 29 of GoMining solo mining. We have 3 miners. One's the bonus miner, 215 terahash, 20 watts of terahash with a beautiful 12.78% discount. Now, for any of you who don't know this, and if you're currently watching this video either the day it comes out or the day after, you might be lucky, because if you click on this bonus miner here, they have recently put out a task to get an extra 4 days of bonus mining. That is 16 terahash at 20 watts of terahash, all for free for an extra 4 days. All you gotta do is just click on the, quiz over here, complete that, go through the 10 lessons, complete that, and you're all good. I'm not gonna do that at the moment because that is not what this video is. This video is for the weekly update. So we're gonna come on over to the dashboard. Total rewards, if it wants to load in, there we go, is 0.035003337 Bitcoin. At current rates, it says it's worth $3,301.11. But if we copy this number here and go over to the Bitcoin to USD converter and we type it in, holy shit, I did not realize Bitcoin was at 93,000. Sorry, down this much. If you're buying it, you're getting it on the low. So it says it's worth $3,300.78. That is not off by too much. That's pretty good. That's pretty close. Okay. And now for the total Bitcoin rewards from November 4th to November 10th. Again, not going off this number because I do not trust it for shit. I've been waiting a week for them to respond back to me, and they still have not. So we're just going to be adding it up ourselves. Of course, we're not going to be adding the first, 0.0000 whatever. We're just going to be doing the last 4 numbers to make it go by faster. We get our calculator. So as the first number, it is 8708 plus 8791 plus 8784 plus 8684. That's the same number. I just realized for the previous one I said 87. I fucked that up. It's 86. These ones are the exact same. Wow. These ones are the exact same. Wow. Anyways, on to the next one. Plus 8678 plus 8661 plus 8675 equals, like, where are they getting this number from? Where are they getting this? They literally like added an extra day. It doesn't make sense. No entiendo. But either way, we're gonna copy the number, bring it to the Bitcoin to USD converter, paste it in here at 0.000, and then we have $57.31. Bitcoin, you need to go back up. Jesus Christ, man, what the hell? Why are you doing that to me? My weekly rewards are supposed to be at least $70. Why are we below 60? I'll forgive you though. I'll forgive you for now because I know Bitcoin, you're going to shoot up to $250,000, right? You're going to do that. And this is going to be worth at least like $250, right? Right. Well, actually, no, that math doesn't equal up. Sorry. It's going to be worth at least, $150. That's what I meant to say. Yes, of course. We all know this. Come on. So yeah, I don't trust that number because look, it's no similar. Don't make no sense. The other thing that doesn't make any sense. How is this thing not sold yet, man? How is it not sold? 100 terahash at 20 watts terahash. What do I have it listed for? $49.35. That's an insane deal. How much is 100 terahash at 20 watts of terahash right now? What is this? Bro, people are getting a deal and a half. How is no one buying this? Look, 96 terahash. It's 4 terahash less. At the moment, that costs 6,300 GMT. Bro, I have it on a 400 GMT discount. What's the current price of GMT, huh? We have it for like $130 off. Bruh, how is no one buying this? How is no one buying this? I mean, I'm okay because it's still mining for me, but like, I want to put this 100 terahash into this one. I just want to have one Bitcoin miner. Why are you guys doing this to me? I know people are buying them on the marketplace. If I go to statistics here, secondary purchases. Look. Why? Why are you doing this to me? 1 minute, literally 1 minute ago, someone just purchased a 121 terahash miner at 20 watts of terahash. I don't give a fuck. I'm keeping that in. I'm angry. For 5,700 GMT. Brev, I understand the deal, but like, why? Mine's been listed for a while. I guarantee this guy just listed it. He probably listed it 2 days ago. Puta madre. Oh well, you know what? I might just keep it. I guess I'll just have to keep it. But I want to upgrade this thing. I want to upgrade the terahash, and I want to lower the wattage per terahash. Why are you guys doing this to me? Custom. How much is it to go straight to it? Fuck. I might just do that right now. I want to, but I don't want to, because then my overall efficiency is going to be an odd number, because this one's still going to be at 20, and it's still going to be included into this. Why is it got to do that to me? It would be 17.5 wattage per terahash. I don't want the 0.5. I don't like the point odds. I don't even like looking at this odd, 0.78. That's weird. That is weird to me. Either way, I don't care. We're mining Bitcoin, baby. And if you want to start mining today, if you use the referral link down in the description below, you will earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. So, 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash for only $23.99, you'll get an extra 0.05 terahash on top of that. Absolutely for free. And at this rate, you'll be making 0.008 cents a day, which, yeah, that's a low number, but yearly is $2.92. That's at current rates too. So, if Bitcoin goes back up to 100,000, or say, it even goes to 150,000, that's $11.33 a year, or daily, that's 3 cents a day. Not bad. Put it back to the current, or if you're a big boy baller and you come on over to the 5,000 terahash miner, and of course you're a nice guy and you use my referral link, you'll earn an extra 250 terahash absolutely for free. And that's a lot. I don't even have 250 terahash. I have 215, and I've put a lot of money into this, so that's a lot for free. And at the rates of 20 watts a terahash, you'll be making $42 a day for $97,200. But of course you're the big boy baller, so why not go for the 15 watts a terahash? You're paying less fees per day for electricity, because you're getting a better wattage per terahash. That's $69.82 a day for just a little investment of $122,735.99. Not that bad. The yearly, you'll be making $25,487.18. Remember, this is at current rates. Bitcoin just hit a nice little drop. This is an ROI of only 20%. If we go back up to what, $110,000 like it was ranging at for a while, that's 30% ROI. But of course, we know Bitcoin's going to rise. So, when it hits that $150,000, goddamn, $67,544.14 a year. Daily, $185 a day. Bruh. It also works on weekends. That's better than a full-time job. Full-time job, most people are only working 5 days a week. This is working 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year, 365 days a year. Come on, bruh, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy not to invest your money. You're just letting it sit around. Inflation is eating it up. Do something with it. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Adios.
Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Which hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. Crypto got me in a spell, but I still like the smell. But I still hella green, Ninja Turtle Referral.